Manipur, with its rich history and vibrant diversity, has in recent years faced challenging circumstances, particularly the aftermath of ethnic conflicts of 2023. During this difficult period, our security forces stood firm as pillars of strength, working in close coordination, often under demanding and sensitive conditions. Despite that, you have maintained law and order and restored a sense of security among the people. Your efforts exemplify not only bravery and professionalism, but also restraint, compassion, and a deep sense of responsibility. As we honor these distinguished units today, we also acknowledge the sacrifices behind this service. The synergy between security forces and civil administration has been crucial. Sustained peace creates the foundation for progress, and together we must continue to build a future of harmony and prosperity for Manipur.